What are Money Manager milestones? Milestones are personalized financial goals suggested by Money Manager. You can think of milestones as checkpoints along your money journey, like building your safety net or preparing for retirement. Money Manager smartly splits your incoming funds to help you efficiently work towards those milestones. What happens when you hit a Money Manager milestone? Let's say Money Manager has been smartly splitting your money across your accounts, and you finally reached your $5,000 checking balance milestone. That's great! Now it's time for Money Manager to work its magic. Once a milestone is met, Money Manager automatically looks to the next milestone in line, like savings or retirement, and prompts you to move your funds there. That way, every dollar keeps moving towards your next goal. How to confirm a suggested transfer. Once your balance climbs at least $50 beyond a milestone, Money Manager will send you a notification suggesting you move those dollars towards your next goal. Simply tap the notification, tap the arrow, then slide to confirm. But don't forget, you have total control over your money and can choose to skip a suggested transfer at any time. It's that easy to keep your money in motion. With milestones, every extra dollar automatically moves towards your next goal, helping your money work smarter for you. Let's grow your oak.